This shit is giving what it has to give. This is very cute. This is a very... Yeah, I made a very good decision going back to long hair for a bit, because this is giving. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Nens, and I am back with another hair video, a hair review. Actually, I was sent this hair by Unice Hair, and I'm excited to review it because I am fully in my I want long hair again, but I just don't want the tricky side of like wearing a full frontal or like a 6x6 frontal wig. Like I'm just more so, I just want to wear a wig right now. I was sent 24 inches water wave headband wig. As you guys know, headband wigs are my major favorite type of wigs, just because they are so easy to put on, take off, style, etc. So I am very happy to be reviewing this hair, and especially water wave. Like curls is like my thing. I really do like curls, like, so I'm really excited to show you this. So it came in this box, but I will caveat that by saying, especially my UK babes, I have ordered from Unice Hair before, and with my own money, and I never really got the box myself, but I'd always watch people reviewing Unice Hair and they would get the box, or they were in the US, so I would always have an inkling that, oh, I might like ordering from the wrong person or whatever. But they're all the same company. It's just that I do feel like they will send boxes to the US customers, and also if they want you to review their hair. So just for anyone who is an anxious babe as well, like myself, you're ordering from the same company. Like I'll link everything below. So here it is in this plastic bag. It's actually quite long for 24 inches. I don't know, Unice always send me like extra love. Like this is me buying and also receiving like hair from them. Like they always give me extra love on the inches. This Unice goodie bag. This one, I don't know what it is about headband companies and this headband. I'm already like a headband connoisseur, so I don't really be using the headbands half the time. I have my own like little batch of headbands in my room. But here is the hair. It's in some nets, you know. Let me try hair. It's so cute. This is the hair. 3 combs in the front. So there's one major one there, then 2 smaller combs on the side, and then you have a comb at the back just so that it's secure. And one thing I will say about headband wigs, that if anyone has apprehension when buying the hair, like I'm telling you, this thing is secure. Like secure. I'm just different situation, secure. So it also has these tags, I don't know what you call them, but these like stretchy tags to kind of like tighten it even more. So if your head's a bit too small, like sometimes my head can be a bit small, I just tighten it up a little bit extra if I want it to be like tight, like I want to, you know, feel it, you know, really, you know, on my head. So I use the bottom tags. The headband wigs I do like this one because I feel like it's not thick, so it's not as thick like feeling, and it's also not as long or big, which is good because it basically means it's easier for me to camouflage. Got my wig cap on. I even forgot to say that it came with a wig cap, and that is basically what I'm wearing right now. I've done my edges, you know, done my edges all up, so I am ready to put this on. So I'm gonna start with the back because I feel like the back is easier. Okay, so that is secure. Now I've only put the back comb and the front comb in, and that to me is secure enough. But if you are like really scared, you can go ahead and do the other two, but I just don't necessarily feel like I need to do it. I'm just like reshuffling it so that it's not hurting my head. And then obviously, oh, this hair is nice. Oh my god, this hair is nice. You have your velcro at the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and velcro that in. You go. here is how it looks. How cute do I look? What? What? So this is how the hair looks, and I'm gonna fold this in half because again I want to be able to camouflage the headband so that it looks like this thing is coming out of my scalp, you know. So this is how long it is on me. I'm 5'3", so it comes up to me bum. Quite cute, right? And in front it comes up to my boobs. Really nice. Now you can put water in this hair. I don't necessarily think I need water. Like, I don't even know where my spray bottle is. Okay, and I was gonna do a ghetto thing and just go to the sink and put water in my hair, but my spray bottle was probably at my boyfriend's house, probably. But I'm not gonna put water in this hair because this hair is cute as it is. Like, normally I'm like, I have to put water in it, or I have to use like my comb, like my what's it call it, comb, and like comb it all out. But this is very cute. Like this, I mean, a variety of headbands. You guys thought I was playing. I was not. I even have Dior headband, which I am going to put on today. I got this off Depop, but the girl no longer sells it anymore because I've been trying to go back because she did have a green one, and I'm upset that she's gone basically because her shit was banging. So I'm just gonna tie this. There it is. There is I. You know, oh my god, this is cute. This is very cute. I've missed long head Nens. I've really missed her. Like, it's giving her. And the reason why I requested for 24 inches is because I had 18 inches last time, and it was long enough for me to do a ponytail. I just wanted to be extra and have, like, you know, an extra yeah, I'm being stupid, but style. That's one way of putting it, like in a ponytail. I love me a bit of a messy bun, do you know what I mean? I love a messy bun, like, I bloody love it. Like, so I'll probably put it in a messy bun. So this is my messy bun. It's giving me, get me some Starbucks. Like, no, it's I love headband wigs. They are too versatile for people to be insulting half the time. It's like, what is wrong with headband wigs? What is wrong with headband wigs? What is wrong? Some of you are wearing wigs with headbands anyway, so why not spend a little to get more out of your buck? Like, I don't. Okay, I'm done.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, I'm done. So this is another style that I have done, and it is half up, half down. So here's the top and here's the bottom. I am really in love with this hair. Like, I'm really going to enjoy it. Change it to this one because I like this one. This is like the calmest one out of, like, one of my calmest ones out of the rest of my things. So this is it. You have it down, like, you can move to the front, and that is your hair. Like, just, I feel so girly. Like, I feel so like, that is it from me in this video. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you guys, you know, treat yourself to a headband wig. They do start at $69. I think in pounds that's around £50 maybe, give or take. I don't know, maybe it's £50, maybe it's not. But it should be around that region. But yeah, the starting prices are $69. and I think the beginning inches are 14. So I don't know, if I haven't convinced you, I don't know how else you'll be convinced. This hair is wicked. This hair is wicked and bad. This hair is amazing. But yeah, like I do love my headband wigs, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm gonna stop mucking about and let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.